Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to clear all your search history on Facebook using your PC. Facebook recently updated their interface, so I'll guide you through the new process step by step. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says Settings and Privacy and click on it. This will expand to show more options. From here, select Activity Log. Now, you're in your activity log, which keeps track of all your actions on Facebook. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of categories. Scroll down until you find Search. Click on it to expand the options, then select Your Search History. You're now looking at a complete list of everything you've ever searched for on Facebook. Pretty eye-opening, right? But don't worry, we're about to wipe it all clean. At the top right of this page, you'll see a button that says Clear Searches. Click on this button. Facebook will ask if you're sure you want to clear all your searches. Remember, this action can't be undone, so make sure you're ready to say goodbye to your search history. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm. And just like that, your entire Facebook search history is gone. It's that simple. Remember, clearing your search history doesn't prevent Facebook from collecting new data. If you're concerned about privacy, you might want to make this a regular habit. That's all there is to it. You've successfully cleared your Facebook search history on your PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.